As a family of 5 with 3 kids, 6 and under, we have definitely learned a thing or two, as this is our 3rd year camping in our 2016 Somerset Evolution pop-up camper. So in this video, I want to share with you how I reset the camper utilizing the space that the camper offers under the seats, under the cabinets and bench. And because we have kids, you're going to see that this was an absolute disaster. So enjoy watching us try and rearrange and organize our space. Anything food related or pertaining to the outside, like tarps, ropes, and different storage solutions that we use for our gear, we keep outside in my husband's truck, and he recently did a video on that, and I will be sure to link that in the description below. So this section under one of our benches is where we put all of our soft-sided items, our screen tent, our sleeping bags, extra blankets, basically anything that can just be squished and compressed down in there. This side tends not to be as easy to access, so we put things in there that we don't really need to get to all too often once we're all set up. There you go.
All this stuff kind of comes out, so it's out in here.
This is our dog's cot or bed that we use outside to keep him off the ground. So this is kind of the perfect spot that we figured out where we can stick it, where it really doesn't take up much room at all.
Where's that?
Okay, moving on.
Good luck.
Okay, now I'm going to sort everything into different piles and categories. What's going to stay, what's going to go. I for sure tried to minimize the amount of little pieces that come with us on future trips. These bags are awesome. I got them on Amazon, and I'll be sure to link them below. So we no longer use this space as a fridge anymore, so being that it's kind of in the middle of the camper, we thought it would be a perfect spot for some of the kids' stuff. This is where we put our everyday stuff, related to the kitchen. Some of it, at least. Not a lot fits under here. Our mugs and, some cleaning stuff. Yeah. I don't know. Much better. And in this cabinet near the door, we have a dry bag full of kind of some random things that we may or may not need.
We have a crank in case our electric one doesn't work. We have a box of extra fuses just in case. A little fuse, little funnel, you never know. Backup filter for the water pump if we need it. Some extra strings for the canvas here in case one of those break, which I did have to replace one of those recently. And then just some odd and end supplies. That's for the door holder up top. So all stuff just pertaining to the camper that's quick and easy reach. Just so they're easy grab and go if you want to go to the beach.
Because they're awesome. This is an awesome bag that we use for our camp kitchen. It's called the Camp Galley Bag by the brand Kelty. Emptying everything out, this bag holds a ridiculous amount, way more than you think it would. So much so that it becomes a bit of a catch-all. As you see, I have way too much stuff jammed into all the different compartments and sleeves. At the end, I had to count up how many spatulas I actually had in the bag, and it was a little out of control. It has really great zippered pockets, zippered sleeves on the top half of the bag, which is great for holding all your miscellaneous items, and a lot fits in there, and you just have to be careful not to overstuff it as things can fall out. I recently got this utensil set off Amazon and really like it. Keeps everything in its place, helps me stay more organized, and let's be honest, it's really cute. So now I'm restocking the bag with all of my chosen utensils and kids items, bibs, all things related to eating, trash bags, things that we often need, lighters, bungee cords, zip ties, pretty much anything. So here I am zipping up and so proud of my tidy and organized camp kitchen bag, and we shall see how long it will stay like this. But with a lot less stuff in it, I think it's going to be a lot easier to maintain. So we do have a second bag, and this bag we use for our toiletries, our personal items, our kid stuff. But you know, the sunscreen and the calamine lotion for the bug bites and just the miscellaneous things, wipes. I stuff a lot of diapers in here, and this I hang by one of the bunks, one of the bed areas that I use to, you know, change the kids and things like that. So really easy for me to find things, which just makes for an overall better camping trip.